Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
We're about to roll out and go hit some wheelies or a little bit of a riding session because I've just been dying to ride lately. I have not rode at all, but I've been doing a lot of stuff in the garage. So I think I'm gonna take the 150 4-stroke because I just haven't rode this thing in a while. Every time I've been wheeling with it, it's been on the 50, which is super fun, but I miss messing around with the 150. So got the ramp now too. Just ride her up in there.
I know, man.
You're tall enough, you probably actually could. I'll load it up. Oh, I cannot forget the gas can. Cannot forget the gas can. I got it right here. About to pull the peds down and hit some wheelies. It's been a while. But the wheels are bounced because so I never got a chance to. Dude, I just had the hardest time getting this 150 started. I don't care. Cold start or straight to red line because I need to get this thing warmed up. This thing feels crazy. It's been a minute. Chuck's getting there right now. Ah! Dude, I folded. Yeah? You're killing it right now. I just saw you go all the way up. My back tire is so flat. Chuck's getting there right now. Yup, Chuck is getting it, bro. He's mobbing with it too, like same speed. Yo! Yo! Dude! Saved her. My back tire is so flat right now, it's actually making it really hard. Usually a flat tire makes it a little better. Not right now. Hey, he's at the balance point too. I gotta film that, hold on. I gotta film that. Yup! Cruise it, idle it. I'm giving it like no gas right now, using all my body weight. This is like throwing my back all the way. Like, you don't usually have to lean that far back on the 150 because it's got the power to pick you up, unlike the 50. But I'm leaning back like as far as I would on the 50. I'm just letting it barely touch the gas. It's just not as fun going this slow. And if we swap to a knee knocker. I want to get back down into sitting. Oh. not trying to get sloppy with the throttle. We just came up here for a quick little cruise. Didn't have much time because it was getting dark, so figured we'd just come up and do what we could. They got the little KLX piece. With the camera piece in the lap. I wonder how a peg wheelie would feel on this thing now. Dude, it comes up so fast. Dude, I haven't wheelied on the pegs on this forever. Like, it literally comes up too fast. Oh my god. Yup. Try to get some speed going. Let it down a little bit and give it more gas. Not so steep. Yup! On it. Chuck be riding daily too, so he's good with the brake. He got the reaction. He got that daily driver. The two-stroke piece. I had the Elite S. I had the Elite S, remember? But mine was the AF05. Oh my god. It coasts so good. Oh man, bro, it starts going so fast. It rolls so fast. Chuck on the four-stroke. I wonder how that makes the two-stroke fellas feel. The two-stroke guy on the four-stroke. It's so easy. It just pops. You just gotta like tap it. The two-stroke definitely likes to go faster, like automatically. Oh, you saw the two-stroke chops. You saw the chopping. I know it. I know you. That feels good. How does that one feel?
You have torque for days.
Yeah.
And then you go down and you like,
Yeah, you bring it back. We were actually gonna come up here with a few people earlier, but we were a little late, so we decided to come up anyways though. Still got some good wheelies out of it though. I still want to get the knee knocker to sitting down. Alright, so we go knee knocker. Ah. Real MOPBOYZ out here on the mopeds, wheeling for days. This side's so rocky. We got this side of them. Yup. Damn it, I was losing grip on my actual glove. I was trying to slip my hand. It gets scary when you start going full speed, bro. When you start to set that front wheel down and the front wheel's at dead stop, it gets a little sketchy on the scooters. No way, bro. This is flattened right here. That means they're about to be building homes right here. Wow. AKA, damn, that's my bike smelling like that? AKA, it's about to be RIP, the Powerline Road. Shout out Scooter Swap Shop for the hoodie. Keep me warm out here right now while we're doing the wheelies. Yes, sir. Alright. Oh, so close, boys. I want that. I want that. Oh, man, we got that. We got that. I could start off in the knee knocker, but it doesn't feel right unless I get into the knee knocker first. My nose is running. I want to go on my knee and then hop back to sitting down. It's so hard. When I sit back down, my body weight makes the scooter slam down. So you gotta like fall back. It's weird. It is, huh? Your scooter's running cool.
I know, you're too cool.
220. Alright, right here, boys. This one's it. Ah, so close. Into the scrape. Boys, from the knee knocker back to sitting down. That's rad. Chuck needs gas now, but we out, boys.
Daniel, and then his Kaniala is his name. So.
Wheelies out here for Chuck's buddy who passed away. Rest in peace. DK forever. He was actually a scooter rider too. He had an Elite, right?
Yeah, he had an 87. He had a bunch of bikes.
November 1st. Rest in peace. Alright, I think we're gonna wrap it up here at the stunt lot piece. Came out here, hit some wheelies. Stunt lot. It's like literally a strip, stunt strip. But came out here, hit some wheelies. Truck killed on the Elite. And we are here on the 150. It's been a while since we wheelied the 150, but that's gonna do it for this one. Also super stoked for the first time ever doing the knee knocker back to sitting down. Yee. Make sure to check the description below if you want to get a sticker and support the boys. MOPBOYZ piece. Got it on the truck. You know. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.